welcome back to Belle's Reading Corner, Reading F. Today we are going to talk about Tom's lost tooth. This is Tom. Guess what? He just lost a tooth. Tom put a tooth in a box. Oops! His cat knocked the tooth on the floor. Whoops! His mom hit a tooth with her broom. It went out the door. Whoops! A man kicked the tooth with his foot. Whoops! The tooth went into a red wagon. Whoops! The red wagon hit a bump. Whoops! The tooth flew into a garden. Tom looked and looked for his tooth, but all he saw was a squirrel with a pile of nuts. Guess what? Tom finally saw his tooth. It was in the nut pile. Whoops! The squirrel buried the tooth in the ground. Tom dug and dug. At last, he saw his tooth. Hooray! Tom grabbed the tooth and he took it home. Tom put the tooth under his pillow. Whoops! Uh-oh. Okay, so this is the story for today. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.